Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to be making DIY Valentine's cups for your friends or family. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how to make it. So these are the results. Yes, you don't know if there's something inside of them, but there is. We have lollipops, we have XOXO and love, and then we have five bags of kisses, and then we have 5 red bags of kisses, yes, and then we have 2 bags of confetti, we have 2 bags of pencils, and then we have 1 bag of donuts. I mean, like, who would want donuts? And then, yes, we have those right there. Yes, so, yeah, let's get started on this video. So, what color is it? It's red, so, yes, red is love. I got 2. So, yes, we are going to be putting this on. So that will be the first thing that we're going to do. Yes, that will be the first thing. I wish it'd be like it. Next, we're going to like put the amount like, woo, 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 yeah. And then next up, we're going to be like, woo, 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 woo. So that's enough, guys. And then we're going to put 2 lollipops. 1, 2. And then we're going to be putting 2 of these. Yeah, 2 of the pink ones. 2 of the red ones. Already did that. Okay, next. So which one is this? It's red. Yes, we have this, guys. Got that. Put the lid on. Okay, and then we're going to put a sticker. Yes, we're going to put some stickers. Stickers. Okay, maybe let's go with this one. Yes. And then you're going to put it on top of here. And that's the result of this one, guys. So, we're finished with this one. Now to make the girls one. And if you forget, then we'll just have to show you more. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now let's get ready for this video. Yes, we're going to put the same thing. We're going to put, woo! Woo! And then 2 more. Whee! And then you're going to put 2 lollipops. Oh, yeah. 2 lollipops and XOXO for this one. Yes. XOXO. Oh, no. Trying to get it on, guys. Woo! So, maybe like this. Yes, I got it on, guys. Looks like a tutu. Is this upside down? Oh, it is. Okay. Now we're gonna do it. Now it says XOXO. Jeez. Okay. I already put that in there. Now 2 of these. This is the girl one. Yes. 2 of these. 2 of these. 2 of these. 2 of the kisses. And then 2 more of the kisses. Now the straw. This is pretty. So we're gonna put this on, guys. Yeah. Oh, it's on the wrong way. Have to put it on the right way so you can like see it with the XOXO. Yes. And that's the result. Oh, I forgot the sticker again. Ah, silly me. Okay, how is this thing gonna come off? I don't know. We might as well do one of. We're gonna probably do this one. That one's pretty, yes. So, and then we're gonna put a donut sticker on there. Yes, and that's the other one. Now we're gonna do the rest of these guys. Yes. Next up, what color is it gonna be? What color is it gonna be? Red. Okay, it's red, guys. Yeah. the sticker because it's like hard. So we're gonna start with the sticker. I got it off, guys. I got it off. Oh, that's over there. So we might as well put it there for a second. Woo! 2 drops of these. Yes. It has to be little though. Love. Wait, can this come off? Why is this not? Is this coming off? Okay, we might as well put that on. So, okay, we're gonna put it on, guys. Be mine. Alright, this is a boy. So, did I put lollipops? Nope. And then we're gonna put 2 more lollies. And 2 more lollies. And then we're gonna have this. Wait, there's only. Okay. Okay, yes we are. We're almost done. And then 2 kisses, 2 pink kisses. And then 2 red kisses, yes. Oh, that's 3. I need 2, yes. Already put that in. Oh, yeah. So, what's next is this. We already put that in. Okay. Okay, there. That is the other red one. And if I only have 1 more of this, but I guess there's, wait. Now I figure out what's happening here. Now I know. Okay. Woo! So 2 of those are on. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to do 3 more. 3 more. Yes. Oh, here's the cups. Yes. Next up is the pink one, guys. We need XOXO. Make sure it's on right. You know what? I can use this for cupcakes. That'd be pretty cool. Okay, next we're gonna pick the sticker for it. Yes, we're gonna pick the sticker. What sticker? Ooh, this is pretty. We're gonna get this, guys. It's so beautiful. So, oh, and if I told you you need 2 bags of pencils. Yes. Oh, why am I even starting the lid? Did I do that the other one? I don't know. And then you're like, woo! Is that more than enough? No. And then you're gonna be like, woo! Yeah, okay. That's enough. You're gonna put 2 lollipops. Doesn't matter if it's upside down or up top. I'm gonna put mine up top. Some of them may fall upside down, but it's fine. And then you put 2 pink kisses and then 2 red kisses. Yes. Okay. Yes, now we're gonna put oh, it's upside down. Yes. Now we're gonna put the lady. We're gonna do 1, 2 XOX. So we're gonna do 2 XOXOs and then 2 more loves. Okay. Right? Is it 2 more loves? Yeah, it's 2 more loves. So yes. I wonder which one I'm gonna pick next, guys. I wonder which one I'm gonna pick next. So yes, we're gonna do the red one next. The same pattern. Make sure you put like this much. Woo! And then you're gonna put that much. Yes, and then did I put that on the other one? Yeah, I did. XOXO, yes. Okay. Next, you're gonna put love, 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 lovey. Yes, we already put love. We already put that in there. Next is 2 more of these. Yes. And then this, and then 2 kisses. Yes, 2 kisses. 2 pink kisses and then 2 red kisses. You know the routine. and then we're gonna get a lid. Yes, we're gonna get a lid. That's gonna girl lid. Boy lid. Yes, here we are. Blue shiny. Blue shiny. Yes. So now we're gonna put a sticker on it. What sticker? We're gonna get. Oh my gosh. We're gonna get what sticker? What sticker? I'm gonna go with this sticker. Yeah. Look at this pretty sticker. Isn't it cute? It actually looks pretty good together. Yes, we are halfway through with the cups. Okay. Oh! Two of these. Oop, one fell, yes. And then two more. Like 1, 2, yes. We already got that filled. Okay. There we are. And it fell. But it's fine. 2 kisses, 2 pink kisses, and 2 red kisses, yes. Oh, I ran out of these kisses, but I still have a lot more. So, I'm probably going to use the whole sticker bank. Called a sticker bank. Yes, it's so pretty. Guys, look at this. It's so cute. And then you'll see what it looks like at the end of the video. I'm going to show you all what it looks like. This cup next. Oh! What does it? Which one is it? XOXO. Yes. Yes, we got it on. We need XOXO. Yes, we need XOXO. Snap. Okay, and next we're gonna put it we're gonna put that right there for now, yes. Put a donut sticker on there, yes. Red one is next. So we're gonna add a little bit of this and a little bit of that. 2 lollipops, 2 dum-dums. You're gonna put them in there, Valentines dum-dums. Yes, let's do red first this time. And then we're gonna do pink. Yeah, okay. Next, wait, yeah. So we're gonna put this here. We're gonna put this here, yes. Good thing it didn't have nothing in it. Next thing. Alrighty, wait. Oh, I just have to put a stick on that, guys. Yes. We got that. And then, which one is this? Red. So we're gonna, and that's that one. Guys, we made so many cups so far. Did I put a little? Yeah, I did. Yeah, okay. And I put it backwards again. Silly me. Okay. How do we get this situated? Let's see. Yes. I got it. And then you're gonna add some of this. Woo! You're gonna add 2 of the hearts. As you see, 2 hearts confetti. I don't think you see, but they're really cute. Yes. We need 2 dum-dum hearts. Yes. We need 2 pink kisses. 2 pink kisses. Double-dapping. And 2 red kisses. Yes. Last one. And then we're gonna put this on. try and get this on, guys. Oh, it's coming out. Yes, it came out. Oh, it's stuck, it's stuck, it's stuck. It's stuck, it's stuck. Now we're done. Okay, so if I got this all from the Dollar Tree, and I hopefully you'll make it, and it's so beautiful when you make it. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe. Bye! Bye! Bye, all of you fans. I love you guys.